Hi guys. So it's 6:30 in New York. We are close by Times Square. I'm gonna wait a little bit for your comments that you can see me. I'm gonna show you what's going on here. So my name is Julie. It has been a while and we didn't do some lives, so let's change this. And like you can see them, actually New Yorkers, they're on their way home because it's 6 and everybody in a rush. So let's walk a little bit. I'm gonna show you our beautiful city today. So yeah, by the way, you can text where you're from. I'm super curious to know, so just tell me. Hi Mexico. I'm good, thank you. Hope you too. So, and actually today the weather is not super funny. It's cloudy and it was rainy. So, and I hope tomorrow, maybe Saturday, it's gonna be better. But let's see. Nicaragua, Tunisia. Okay. What else? Subway, Peru, I hope, guys, do you hear this noise? It's the noise of New York. It's funny. It's a lot of noise. Argentina, Mexico, so actually we can cross. Yes, it's beautiful, I agree. Yes. I just wanted to show you super quick. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot of time, but just show you our evening, our vibe from today. Look. So this is one of the Broadway show. You can see a lot of people arrived. It's always a line here. So yes, it's still not super dark yet, but you can see it's already end of the day and yeah. So guys, I really hope that one day you can come, see, enjoy the city. because it's an amazing city. It's one of the most beautiful cities. Yeah. And again, a little bit noise. Let's take a bike. What do you think, guys? Wow, someone was last night. Wow. Hi, hi, welcome. Hi. It's nice to see you guys in chat. Indonesia. Hi. So it's our traffic. It's a little bit busy, I would say, like always, but anyway. So we can cross. Okay guys, it was nice to see you, and I promise next time it's gonna be longer, but for now I would say it was nice to see you all, and see you again. Bye bye.